मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि। What is the name of the prakaranam?
प्रतिकर्म व्यवस्था।
Pratikarma Vyavastha. Acharya is giving conclusion now, Nigamanam. He started from page number 371. Tad ayam atra nishkarsha. Nishkarsha means is the essence. The Vishaya Prakashaka Chaitanya and Vishaya Adhisthana Bhuta Prameya Chaitanya. Vishaya Prakashakam Vishayadhisthana Bhutam Prameya Chaitanya. So the Vishaya Prameya is in Adhisthana Chaitanya. There it is Adhyastha. That Chaitanya exists even before Vishaya arrives or before Vishaya Jnanam takes place. Antakaranavatchinna Chaitanya, Pramatra Chaitanya, which is there separately existing as though. Pramana Chaitanya is only when Vishayakara Vritti takes place. So Antakarana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanyam to Pramanam. Only if Tadakar Vritti takes place, then there is Pramana Chaitanya. But Adhisthana Chaitanya is existing even before the Antakarana Vritti arises. So they are three different. Tathapi यदीय अंतःकरण वृत्त्या विषय पर्यंतम चक्षुरादि द्वारा निस्सृतया यत् प्रकाशकम चैतन्यम यत् प्रमात्र चैतन्य अभेदेन अभिव्यज्यते. Only in that antakaran where Vishayakar Vritti takes place and the Pramana Jnanam takes place, only that Pramata will know and only that Vishaya will be known. Tam eva saha eva janati. Tam prameyam saha pramata. So tam eva saha eva janati. न अन्यम न अन्यो वा. अतएव एकवृत्ति उपारूढ़त्व लक्षण एकलोली भावापन्नम प्रमात्र प्रमाण प्रमेय चैतन्यम भवति. Therefore, ekavritti uparudatva lakshana. Ekavritti, in one vritti, all three will be there. Pramata, pramana, prameya, chaitanya. Ekaloli bhavapannam. Lolanam is chalanam. Lola chalane. So, ekaloli bhav means going together, moving together. Together means being one. ततः तदवच्छेदेन अज्ञान निवृत्त्या वृत्त्या भासमानं प्रमेय चैतन्यम अपरोक्षम फलम इत्युच्यते। तदवच्छेदेन अज्ञान निवृत्त्या, सो दैट प्रमात्र चैतन्य then प्रमाण चैतन्य अवच्छेदेन अज्ञान निवृत्ति will take place. अज्ञान निवृत्त्या वृत्त्या भासमानम, विद्धि विषयाकार वृत्ति भासमानम प्रमेय चैतन्यम अपरोक्षम, प्रमेय चैतन्य is भासमानम is called phalam. In phala vyapti, this is phalam. प्रमेय चैतन्यम अपरोक्षम. So ajnana nivritti will take place through phalam. Ajnana nivrittya vrittya bhasamanam prameya chaitanyam aparoksham. In Panchadashi it is given as tatra jnanam dhiya nashyet abhasena ghataspuret. So abhasa here prameya chaitanyam, that is aparoksham phala. Tat swayam bhasamanam sat. This chaitanyam is swayam bhasamanam sat स्वाध्यस्थम घटादि अपि भासयति इति तत् फल व्याप्यम इति उपेयते. दिस इज कॉल्ड फल व्याप्ति. तत् स्वयं भासमानम, दैट चैतन्य इज स्वयं भासमानम, भासमानम सत् स्व अध्यस्थम घटादि अपि भासयति. स्व अध्यस्थम मीन्स you say घटादि आर अध्यस्थ इन अधिष्ठान चैतन्य. That adhisthana chaitanya is swayam bhasamanam, which has now become non-different from prameya chaitanya, or that is prameya chaitanya actually. The pramana chaitanya is different. Prameya chaitanya, when it becomes aparoksha, means imagine there is a ghata, there is chaitanya all around that ghata, but that chaitanya is covered. When tadakar vritti takes place, then that avarana is gone. Around that ghata there is light as if. So now that ghata is prakashit by prameya avachinna chaitanya. That is called phala vyapti. Tat phala vyapyam iti upeyate. Yannishta cha yadakara vrittir bhavati tannishtham tadakaram ajnanam sanashayati iti niyamat. Yannishta yadakara vrittir bhavati. Yannishta means yadavachinna. Yadavachinna yadakara vritti bhavati tannishtham tadakaram ajnanam. So yadavachinna yadakar vritti, ghatavachinna vritti will be there. Tannishtham tadakaram ajnanam. Tannishtham. So here avachedaka is pramata. If you want, you note that down. Yan nishtha, devadatta nishtha, devadatta antakarana nishtha, ghatakara vrittir bhavati. Tannishtham, devadatta antakarana nishtham, घटा अज्ञानम सा घटा वृत्कारा वृत्ति वृत्ति ही नाशय वृत्तिर नाशयति इति नियमात. दिस लाइन इज क्लियर?
Yes, Swamiji.
Others?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
नियमात प्रमात्र प्रमेय उभय व्यापिनी अपरोक्ष वृत्ति ही स्वावच्छेदेन आवरणम अपसारयति. Pramatra Prameya Ubhaya Vyapini Aparoksha Vritti, this Aparoksha Vritti which pervades Pramata and Prameya, means connects Pramata to Prameya, it will be Aparoksha Vritti, Swa Avachedena Avaranam Apasarayati. Vritti hi Avaranam, Vritti will remove the Avaranam by its Avacheda. Avachedaka will be Pramata and Prameya. So imagine Vritti is there, one end Pramata is there, other end Prameya is there. Devadatta Ghata, Devadatta Pata, Devadatta Himalaya, Devadatta Ganga, like that. Another is there, Chaitra Ghata, Chaitra Pata, like that. Prakashasya Swavachedena Avarana Apasarakatva Darshanat. Because this is the role of Prakasha. Prakashasya Swavachedena Avarana Apasarakatva Darshanat. Prakash will do this. Swavachedena Avarana Apasarakatva. That is the role of Prakash. Ataha Pramatra Avacchinnasya Asatva Avaranasya. Now there are two Avaranas. What are the two Avaranas?
Asatva
Asatva Padaka and Abhana Padaka. Avarana.
Asatva Padaka and Abhana Padaka Avarana. Where is Asatva Padaka Avarana staying?
Mata.
There?
Pramata.
Pramata. And where is Abhana Padaka Avarana?
Vishaya.
Prameya. अतः प्रमात्र अवच्छिन्नस्य असत्वावरणस्य प्रमेयावच्छिन्नस्य अभानावरणस्य च अपसारणात् घटोयम में स्फुरति इत्यादि अपरोक्ष व्यवहार. सो प्रमात्र अवच्छिन्नस्य असत्वावरणस्य प्रमेयावच्छिन्नस्य अभानावरणस्य अभानापादक आवरण असत्वा पादक आवरण असत्व आपादक आवरण. Apadaka means that which will do apadanam is called apadaka. Asatvasya apadanam yat karoti tat asatvapadakam. Apadan karna means to superimpose, to give the notion that it is not there. This is asatvapadaka. To give the notion that I don't know is abhanapadaka. So asatvavarnasya abhanavarnasya cha apasaranat घटो यम में स्फुरति इत्यादि अपरोक्ष व्यवहार. In aparoksha jnana asatvapadaka abhanapadaka both avarana will go when there is aparoksha jnana. Aparoksha jnanam, what is the drishtanta given in this line?
Ghato ayam spurati.
Ghato yam me spurati. So Ghata Spuranam is called Aparoksha. Generally we say it is Pratyaksha. A Pratyaksha itself is Aparoksha. Here. Paroksha Sthale too. In Paroksha Sthala, what is the difference? Indriya Sannikarsha Lakshana Dwara Abhavat Antakarana Nissarana Abhavena. Indriya Sannikarsha is not there. Indriya has not come in contact with the Vishaya. In some other way, vritti is happening through Shabda, Anumana, Upamana. But Upamana means somebody says, you go to this place, this hall where there is pravachan. You will find somebody, this tall, this, that, etc. He is Maitra. He is a twin of Chaitra. So now that Shabda Pramana gives you some. Then when you see this fellow is Maitra. Then Upamana you will do Chaitra. But with Chaitra, Indriya Sannikarsha is not there. So Anumana also the same. Indriya Sannikarsha Lakshana Dwara Abhavat. Antakarana Nisarana Abhavena. Antakarana Vritti through that Indriya is not going out. Vishaya Paryantam Vrittehe Agamanat. Vishaya Paryanta Vritti Gamanam is not happening. Therefore, Vishayavachinna Prameya Chaitanyena Saha Pramatra Chaitanyasya Eka Vritti Uparudhatva Abhavena. In case of Aparoksha Jnanam, Vishayavachinna Prameya Chaitanyena Saha Pramatra Chaitanya Ekatva is there in Aparoksha. In Paroksha Jnanam, Prameya Chaitanya, Pramatra Chaitanya, Ekavritti Aru Uparudhatva Abhava. They don't become one. Uparudhatva Abhavena. Aparokshataya Abhivyakti Abhave api. So Aparokshataya Abhivyakti is not there of that Vishaya. Abhave api. Pramatra Pramana Chaitanya Yoho Ekaloli Bhavapatya. Pramatravachinna asatvavarnam avarnamatram nivartate. So Pramata Chaitanya and Pramana Chaitanya, they have become one. Prameya Chaitanya has not become one. So which avarana will go now?
Asatva Padaka.
Asatva Padaka avarana will go, which is in Pramata. So Pramatra Avachinnam Asatva Avaranam Atram Nivartate. So Pramata will say, I know. Asti. Asatva Padaka is gone, so Astitva is known. Bhati is not there yet, because Abhana Padaka Avarana is there. So when we say Brahma, somebody has Paroksha Jnanam of Brahma, means Brahma Asti is known. But Aham Brahmatvena Bhanam is not there. This is what is the difference between Paroksha Jnanam and Aparoksha Jnanam. Asatva Padaka Avarana is gone, but Abhana Padaka Asatva Padaka Avarana is in Pramata, that is gone. Abhana Padaka Avarana is in Brahma. Brahma Vishayaka. So Pramegata Ajnanam is not gone. That's why we say, I know I am Brahma, but I still cannot say that I know it all the time. All the time means when it is required, it is not available. Because that Sahana Vavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahe, Tejasvina Vadhitam Astu. Our Adhitam has not become Tejasvi. And Ma Vidvishavahai, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Tavan Matrasya Vritti Avachinnatvat. Vritti is only Pramata side. Prameya side, Vritti has not reached. Vritti did not have access. I told you. One side of Vritti is Pramata, another side of Vritti is Prameya. This Vritti could not reach Prameya yet. Only Pramata side Ajnanam is gone. Tavan Matrasya Vritti Avachinnatvat. Idameva Sushupti Vyavritti Shabdena Vivaranacharya Vyakyatam. This Vivaranacharya, who is Vivaranacharya?
प्रकाशात्मा मुनि.
प्रकाशात्मा. See Hindi टीका. It is given in Sanskrit there, Sushupti Vyavritti. Sushuptau janami iti vyavaharo na jayate. Paroksha vrittya tu janami iti vyavaharo jayate. In Sushupti, janami vyavahara is not there. When there is Paroksha vritti, janami vyavahara is there. Paroksha vritti means Agni. In Jagrat you have to understand. Agni in Parvata, whose Anumanam I do, or any such thing, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Paroksha Vrittya, Janami. I know this Vyavahara is there. Pramatragata Asatva Padaka Ajnana Nashat. Because for that, Pramatragata Asatva Padaka Avarana is gone. You see, this is given in Panchapadika Vivarana. अतः परोक्ष वृत्ति दशायाम सुषुप्ति व्यावृत्तिर भवति. So when it is paroksha jnanam, paroksha vritti, sushupti aspect is gone. Sushupti vyavritti. Sushupti is like na janami. So now it is janami. Asti. Astitva na janami. See in the Mulam. Sushupti vyavritti shabdena Vibranacharya vyakyatam. Vishayavachinna abhanavarana तत्कार्य सद्भावे अपि प्रमात्रवच्छिन्न असत्वावरण निवृत्त्या अनुमानादौ व्यवहारोपपत्ति. विषयावच्छिन्न अभानावरण तत्कार्य सद्भावे. विषयावच्छिन्न अभान आवरण. विषय अवच्छिन्न प्रमेयावच्छिन्न इस अभानापादक आवरण. तत्कार्य सद्भावे अपि it is there. Pramatravatchinna asatva avarana nivritya. But pramata avarana nivritti has taken place. So anumanadau vyavaharo papatti. Anumana, upamana, etc. In that this vyavahara is possible. अतएव जानाम्यहं पर्वते वह्निरस्ति इति सतु कीदृश इति मे न भाति इत्यादि व्यवहार. Therefore पर्वते वह्नि अस्ति aham janami. This vyavahara is there. What is the nature of that Agni? Tatu kidrishaha iti me na bhati. That I don't know. Ityadi vyavahara. Therefore, what is the conclusion then? Prayanam ekaloli bhave aparokshatva. Dvayor ekaloli bhave tu parokshatva. When all the three are together, aparokshatva. When only two are together, parokshatva. Which are the two?
Pramana, Pramata.
Pramana, avachinna chaitanya. Pramata, avachinna chaitanya. Vrittescha vishayena samam sakshadeva aparoksha sthale sambandha. Vrittescha vishayena samam. Vritti along with the vishaya. साक्षात अपरोक्ष स्थले साक्षात संबंध. परोक्ष स्थले तो अनुमिते है अनु. So one part is this much, that is simple and straightforward. In अपरोक्ष स्थले वृत्ति and विषय है साक्षात संबंध. In परोक्ष स्थले he gives different options. परोक्ष स्थले तो अनुमिते है अनुमित. Anumitehe means anumiti of anumiti, anumeyena. O parvato vanniman. Anumeya is vanni. Anumeyena tad vyapya jnana janyatvam. Tad vyapya jnana janyatvam kim? Sambandha. अनुमितेः अनुमेयेन तद व्याप्य ज्ञान जन्यत्वम संबंधः. In other words, between hetu and sadhya, अनुमेय is साध्य, तद व्याप्य is हेतु. साध्येन सह व्याप्य ज्ञान, हेतु is a व्याप्य, ज्ञान जन्यत्वम means व्याप्ति ज्ञान जन्यत्वम. In paroksha sthala there are cases. Case 1 anumiti. For anumiti व्याप्ति ज्ञान जन्यत्वम संबंध. For शब्द शाब्द्याः संसर्गेण सह तद आश्रय वाचक पदजन्यत्वम. संसर्गेण सह तद आश्रय मीन्स संसर्ग आश्रय. संसर्ग आश्रय इज दी पदार्थ शक्य, and its vachaka is shaktam. So when shabda jnanam takes place, then it is pada padartha janya shakti tad janyatvam. Tad ashraya vachaka pada janyatvam. So tad ashraya is ghata, let us say, ghata padartha, and its vachaka pada is ghata. So the sambandha between pada padartha sambandha. What is pada padartha sambandha? Shakti. So in shabda jnanam it is shakti janya. Shakti janya means, I am simplifying, okay? You might have to use lakshana, jahad, ajahad, all of that is included here. स्मृति स्मृतेः स्मर्तव्येन सह तद्विषय अनुभवजन्यत्वं संबंधः. स्मर्तव्यत्वेन, so ghata is there, but now I am remembering ghata, or chaitra is there, I am remembering chaitra, I am remembering Kedarnath Bhagavan. स्मर्तव्येन सह तद्विषय अनुभवजन्यत्वं. They are going to start ropeway to Kedarnath. You just sit and then it goes. Smritehi smartavyena saha tad vishaya anubhavajanyatvam. Smartavya, you remember, smartavyena saha vishaya anubhava. What was happened, what you have already experienced, because then only there will be smriti. So what is said, anumana jnanam is paroksha, shabda jnanam paroksha, smriti jnanam paroksha. They all will produce paroksha jnanam. एवं अन्यत्रापि परंपरा संबंध एव इति परोक्ष अपरोक्ष विभाग. In this way, elsewhere also there will be parampara sambandha, like upamana and other pramana. It is parampara sambandha, so paroksha aparoksha vibhaga will take place. Can you elaborate a little bit more? Vistarena vyutpadita asmabhihi iyam prakriya siddhanta bindau. Iyam prakriya vyutpadita asmabhihi. Elaborately, we have given this prakriya in a text called Siddhanta Bindu. You know what is Siddhanta Bindu?
Yes, Swamiji.
Or this is going to come there also. Tasmad vishayasya mithyatve api pratikarma vyavastha upapattehe. So even if ghata, pata, whole Brahmanda is mithya, but ghatakar vritti is different, which will reveal ghata. Patakar vritti is different, which will reveal only pata, only for that antakarana. Even if jagat, everything is mithya, everything is not treated in the same way. Somebody will say, you know, ghata is mithya, pata is mithya. Ghatakar vritti, why can't I get knowledge of pata? It doesn't work like that. Everything is mithya has a different meaning. Everything is mithya from sat, asat sadasat standpoint. Otherwise, everything has to work in Vyavahara. So that is this Pratikarma Vyavastha. This topic is concluded here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.